Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng chorizo lumpia. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the rock and roll. And here are the ingredients. Going to do next ka-friendship is i-mix natin ang lahat ng ating mga ingredients. Okay? Ang ating ground pork. So, ayan. Ang ating chorizo. Buksan lang natin siya ka-friendship. Tapos ilagay natin yung kanyang laman. Ayan. So, ayan na po ka-friendship. Idagdag natin yung ating carrots. Ang ating bell pepper. Ang ating onion. Ang ating spring onion, ang ating garlic, ang ating calamansi, ayan. Lagyan natin ng sesame oil. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng asin. Ng black pepper. At saka ang ating itlog. So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Okay. And then, give a good mix. So, ayan, haluin lang natin ng mabuti ka-friendship. At pagkatapos natin itong ihalo, pwede na nating balutin ang ating mixture sa ating lumpia wrapper. What we're going to do next ka-friendship is babalutin natin ang ating mixture. So, kuha lang tayo ng spoonful ng ating mixture. Or depende sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung gusto nyong lumpia. So, ayan. I-roll lang natin. I-fold yung sa gilid. And then, isi-seal ng water. Ayan. Gawa tayo ulit ng isa. Ayan, roll natin. I-fold ang side, both sides. And then, isi-seal ng water. Okay, so ganyan lang ang pagbalot ka, friendship. So, babalutin natin ang natira pa nating mixture. Okay ka, friendship, ito na po yung nabalot nating lumpia. So, ready for prito na siya, ka, friendship. What we're going to do next, ka, friendship, sa isang preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Generous amount of cooking oil. Ayan. Dahil maganda ang lumpia kapag deep fried. Mga friendship, ipiprito na natin ang ating lumpia. Oops. So, ayan. So, ipiprito natin siya both sides hanggang sa hanggang sa mag-golden brown. Ayan pa, friendship. Low fire lang. And balikan natin siya later. Ayan, golden brown na siya, friendship. So what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa mantika at ilagay sa isang strainer to remove the excess oil. Ayan. So, piprituhin natin yung natira pa nating lumpia, friendship. Ito na po ang naprito nating chorizo lumpia. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating chorizo lumpia. Okay, so best serve siya with ketchup or any sausawan na trip ninyo. Okay, so ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. Okay, ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating chorizo lumpia for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tuto Mira at your service. Always remember, kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you do. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us. Bye-bye.